Hello, my dear children. Welcome back in my today's class. Today, I'm going to teach you the poem in your English literature book. That is, the name of the poem is Lullaby. Okay, now what is lullaby? We will come to know about this in this video. So, let's get started. A lullaby is a song that is gentle and restful. It is usually sung to help children sleep. The words of a lullaby are usually simple and repetitive. So basically, it's a song which helps the children to make them sleep, and the words of the song is are very simple and repetitive, and it makes us feel very restful and gentle. Lullabies have existed since ancient times and are sung all over the world in different languages. So ये बेसिकली क्या होती है, लोरी होती है जो बहुत एंशियंट टाइम से गाई जाती है. हमारी मम्मियाँ, our mothers used to sing these before us at the time of sleep for making us sleep faster. Close your eyes gently and cuddle in. Keep yourself snug. A new day will begin. The poet is saying ki just close your eyes. The poet is making the child ready for sleeping. So first activity which we do while sleeping is we have to close our eyes. So the poet is doing the same. The poet is telling to close the eyes and cuddle in, or make yourself comfortable and warm. जस्ट अपनी जो ब्लैंकेट है उसे ओढ़ लीजिए एंड कीप उसके अंदर घुस जाइए एंड कीप योर सेल्फ स्नग, वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड वार्म. क्योंकि जब तक हम कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं करेंगे हमें नींद नहीं आएगी, एंड जब हम सुबह जागेंगे अ न्यू डे विल बिगिन. हम रात को सोते हैं और सुबह एक नई सुबह में जागते हैं. हैव प्लीजेंट ड्रीम्स अबाउट दोज थिंग्स यू लव. स्लीप इज़ एन आइलैंड वेटिंग अबव. बस स्लीप एक आइलैंड की तरह है जो सपनों भरी दुनिया में हमारा वेट कर रहा है हमको लेकर जाने के लिए. ठीक है, इट इज़ वेटिंग. एंड एक बार जब हम अगर उसमें चले जाते हैं उस आइलैंड में, सो व्हाट डू वी फील एंड व्हाट डू वी हैव ब्यूटिफुल प्लीजेंट ड्रीम्स. और ड्रीम्स हमें किस बारे में आती है? अबाउट द थिंग्स विच वी लव. Night is a blanket keeping you warm. If you close your eyes, you can come to no harm. Okay, night is just like a blanket which protects us from all the dangers and all heat, cold, etc. And it just makes us comfortable and warm, keeping you warm. If you close your eyes, you can. और अगर हम इस night के ब्लैंकेट को अपने ऊपर ढक के इसके अंदर घुस के अपनी आइज़ क्लोज कर लेते हैं तो इट डज़ नॉट मेक अस एनी हार्म. वो हमें कोई भी नुकसान नहीं होने देता. इट विल कीप अस प्रोटेक्टेड थ्रू आउट द नाइट. Dreams are like journeys drifting along. Rest is a present keeping you strong. Okay, dreams are like journeys because they makes us travel from one place to another. ठीक है, in a fantastical world, totally imaginary. So once we sleep we have beautiful dreams, and in dreams we can go anywhere. We can travel to moon, to earth. We can go around the earth and we can do anything which are actually impossible. Okay, so they are like journeys which take us to some another place. ड्रिफ्टिंग अलॉन हमें लेकर चला जाता है दूसरी दुनिया में. एंड रेस्ट इज़ अ प्रेजेंट. एंड वाई रेस्ट इज़ अ प्रेजेंट? रेस्ट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ गिफ्ट विच we have got by God. That why it's like a present, and it makes us strong because it's relieves us from the fatigueness and the tiredness which we feel throughout the day. And once we sleep we just get into a new day and become energized again and ready to face another day long. So this was a very short and interesting poem about lullaby. Hope you all have enjoyed this, and remember the lullabies being sung by your mothers at your childhood times. So I hope you like the video. I will be back soon with a new chapter. Till then, you just learn the worksheet and revise the chapter well. Take care, all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.